Have you ever truly been broken? I'm not just talking about feeling sad. I'm talking about that moment when words get stuck in your throat, when the rest of the world is muted, and inside you, something shatters like glass. Sometimes life doesn't try to fix us. Sometimes life strikes us hard and leaves us in pieces. Most of us stand over that wreckage and think, I wish this had never happened. I wish I could turn back time and keep this porcelain flawless, uncracked. But what if I told you that those fractures are not your weakest point, but your most magnificent one? For thousands of years, the ancient wisdom of the East has whispered this truth. Do not hide the breaks, adorn them with gold, because once something has been broken and restored, it is never ordinary again. The modern world assigns us a relentless task. Look perfect. Filtered lives, curated feeds, masks that always say, I'm fine. In modern thinking, breaking is failure. Pain is proof that you couldn't manage life properly. A scar is something to be hidden, a mark of shame. But every wound we suppress grows silently inside us, like an injured animal forgotten in a dark room. The more we try to appear perfect, the more our soul loses its authenticity. Eastern wisdom speaks from an entirely different place. A human being deepens precisely where they break. A tree cannot send its roots deeper into the earth without bending and cracking in the storm. In Japan, there is a miraculous art practiced since the 15th century, Kintsugi. The word literally means joining with gold. According to legend, a Japanese shogun's favorite tea bowl breaks. He sends it to China to be repaired, but it returns held together with crude metal staples. Displeased by its appearance, he asks Japanese craftsmen to restore it beautifully. Instead of hiding the fractures, the artisans fill them with resin mixed with pure gold. The result is something stronger than the original and visually breathtaking. In Kintsugi philosophy, an object's accident becomes part of its history. To hide it would be to deny its lived experience. The cracks are emphasized because they are the object's life story. Kintsugi is not merely ceramic art, it is spiritual alchemy. It teaches us this: do not try to erase your past. That painful divorce, that heavy loss, that profound disappointment, you cannot pretend they never happened. If you do, they remain only as emptiness. Every wound is a doorway through which awareness can enter. In Kintsugi, the gold is your consciousness, to accept your pain, to integrate it as a lesson, to extract wisdom from experience. A soul repaired with gold shines not despite what it has lived through, but because of it. If, while watching this, your own fractures are coming to mind, know that you are not alone on this path. I can share this story with you because I too have cracks I am learning to mend with gold. If you wish to stay together on this journey, you can like this video and subscribe and become part of this growing community. In psychology, there is a concept called post-traumatic growth. Some people do not merely return to who they were after devastation. They become more resilient, more compassionate, more aware than before. As the great mystic Rumi said, "The wound is the place where the light enters you. Without the wound, the light would have no way in." Breaking is the cracking of the ego's hard shell, and only when that shell breaks can the true essence, the true soul, emerge. Before you close this video, ask yourself, which of your breaks are you hiding in shame? Which wounds do you cover with massive masks? Perhaps it's time to stop trying to fix them, to pretend they never happened. Perhaps it's time to fill those spaces with gold. Your gold may be self-compassion. Your gold may be finding meaning within pain. Your gold may be patience and trust in time. Remember, my friend, perfection does not mean a soul that has never been struck. Perfection means gathering your pieces with awareness and remaining whole, even more precious than before. You are here despite every storm you've endured. And those cracks, they are the most beautiful lines of your story. Are you ready to discover your own art of restoration? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Which wound did you turn into gold? Tell us, so we can become light for one another. Remain in silence and watch the light within you. Until we meet in the next video.